The islands of the Bahamas offer a lifetime of diving possibilities. There's something for everyone, from snorkelers and resort divers to thrill seekers, photographers, and underwater explorers. Discover the cinematic reefs of New Providence, featured in films like Thunderball and Into the Blue. Swim with wild dolphins off Bimini or Grand Bahama. Drift an underwater wall in San Salvador. Immerse in a silver swirling school of tarpon in the Abacos. Or relax as you float through the sunlit coral gardens of the Exuma Islands. Satisfy your craving for adventure with a descent into a mysterious blue hole. Or sign up for encounters with tiger, hammerhead, lemon, reef, and oceanic white-tip sharks. After the dive, enjoy beach and water sports activities, from kayaking and paddleboarding to beach barbecues and one-of-a-kind photo ops with swimming pigs. At the end of the day, you can dance barefoot in the sand at an out-island beach bar. Enjoy the all-inclusive amenities of a premier seaside resort. Or go all out at Nassau's glittering nightclubs and casinos. Call 800-329-9989 or visit caratdonna.com to book your next getaway.